Hello, what would you like to know? AI can be integrated into everything around us. Would you like some examples? It is applied in our daily lives, in cutting-edge industrial environments, and even in agriculture. There are so many applications that it's challenging to list them all. Absolutely, it's already being utilized. Let me provide more details. Follow me to the ready-mix concrete plant where I work. Here, the process from raw material measurement to mixing and preparing for delivery is conducted. What sets this plant apart is a unique aspect. This is AICon. Sure, introducing AICon. After raw materials are dispensed and uniformly mixed, the slump artificial intelligence system assesses the concrete's quality to ensure a consistent product. Essentially, this marks a shift towards an AI-driven production method that operates without human intervention. While traditional ready-mix concrete production is semi-automated, involving human tasks in dispatch and production, AICon enables complete automation and unmanned operation. This not only automates the plant, but also adds value through data management. Isn't it fascinating? Let me show you how it works for a clearer understanding. We've just received an order. AICon checks the weather forecast, the delivery distance, and the estimated transport time through ERP. It then reviews necessary production details like product specifications, order quantity, and required compressive strength. Ready for production? AICon calculates aggregate surface moisture in no time. How does it recognize slump? I'll explain. Numerous videos of the mixing process are collected, labeled according to standards, and used to train a slump detection classifier. This classifier then identifies the slump during production. Ensuring that our products meet the highest quality standards. Given Korea's distinct seasons, automatic temperature sensing is essential. AICon informs the producer of the concrete's temperature, enabling the creation of superior quality ready-mix concrete. A truck has arrived. AICon identifies its number plate automatically, preventing any mix-up in deliveries. An incorrect product delivery could lead to severe consequences. Emphasizing the importance of this feature. AICon verifies the vehicle number against the delivery note, ensuring accuracy. It controls the shipping speed based on the slump, optimizing the production process. Plus, it continually evolves by learning from real-time data. Furthermore, AICon enables access to raw production data for various managers. Facilitating remote monitoring and management, AICon simplifies production tasks and standardizes quality, making the production process accessible to anyone with a basic understanding of the equipment. This standardization reduces the rejection rate, lowering costs associated with raw materials, labor, and transportation. Consistently high-quality production with AICon ensures uniform slump and product stability, enhancing the company's reputation and reliability. Moreover, the AICon system automatically shuts off the mixer motor's power drive when the manufacturing process of the ready-mix concrete plant is halted. It uses an internal mixer camera to detect the presence or activity of workers inside the mixer. This fundamentally prevents industrial accidents. Experience the innovation in ready-mix concrete quality management with the Slump Artificial Intelligence System. Step into a new realm of the industry with AICon. SHLab, your expert in AI for the ready-mix concrete manufacturing industry.